All right, what's good, YouTube? Today, I got a package from the Biggie, and this is my first time, so you know what this logo means. This is my first time buying from the Biggie. They're not known as the Biggie. They're actually known as Etnies shoes, skate shoes. This is their Windrow Vulc, and I'm unboxing it in real time. I have another pair here too. I'll cover that in a separate video. So let's take a look at these bad boys. Whoa. This is a sharp looking shoe. This is like gray, green, and white. Pretty nice. This is all man-made materials, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like these. I'm not usually too crazy about the synthetics, but I'll give them a try. These are also like America. I'll show you this in here. I don't know if you can focus in on that. They are made in Vietnam. I like that. I wasn't sure about that because I've never ordered from them before. I'm going to take a quick look at these. I may do a try on in a different video just because I'm going to have to lace them up and get them together. Let's take a look at these. It's a nice looking shoe. They've got kind of a wingtip design on the toe, which is kind of sharp. I really like the two-tone, actually three-tone colorway, but it's really two-tone with highlights. It's got their famous E logo on the sides. They've got a tongue stabilizer here. Padded tongue, actually pretty considerably padded, so I like that. Not as much padding around the collar. There is some around the sides, but not so much back here, a little bit up top. So that's pretty cool. And then they've got this cork, I think it's cork, insole. Looks like rubber and cork. So that's kind of cool. I'm curious to know, it's got a fair bit of arch support in it. This is more of a foam up here. The rest of this is just kind of a foam, like a stiff foam and cork. So I'm not sure how much cushion that's going to provide. Got a nice gum midsole and undersole. Kind of a waffle pattern. It's a nice looking shoe. It looks to be pretty well designed. Got kind of this cork thing up top here too. I don't know what this buy a shoe, plant a tree thing is. That's some green initiative they have. I don't know much about it. So I'll refer you to their website for that. You can see it in there. But yeah. So I think what we'll do, since these are going to require some work to get them ready for a try on, I'll just do the unboxing of both of these shoes in one video. So that one, once again, is the Windrow Vulc. Jury's out on that because it's man-made materials. I'm not sure how well it will breathe or how it will feel. I don't usually find them very comfortable. I usually prefer suede or leather. But I got both of these on sale. They were crazy cheap. They were around 20, 25 bucks a pair. They were having a massive sale for, I think it was coming up to Labor Day. And so I thought, let me grab a couple pairs of these. They're pretty cool looking. This is the other one. This is the Barge LS. Let's see what's up with the Barge LS here. Oh, I like this one too. Apparently I was on a green kick with these couple of pairs. I really like these. Check this bad boy out here. This is the Barge LS, right? Yeah. That's an awesome looking shoe. And this is suede and leather upper, and some man-made materials kind of in these side panels and some of the interior. But man, it's got the old school, like, I don't know if you can see those, they're like little eyelet vents. That's back in the day style. I don't think I've seen that in a shoe in a while. So that's kind of cool. Considerably padded tongue on this one. And the collar is padded all the way around the ankle, so that's nice. A little bit different insole. In fact, I don't think this one's removable. Maybe it is. Let's see. No, it doesn't feel like it. I don't want to rip it out. So I think this one might just be, anyway, it's their comfort level 1 insole, and these are also made in Vietnam. Big props to Etnies and Emerica. I just love, they're both owned by the same company. I think they call it Soul Technologies as the parent umbrella or whatever. And it's a skater-owned company. And they've been around for a while, since the 80s. And they really take making skate shoes seriously. And so I'm excited to try these. I think these are going to be great for work. I think Etnies is more of a step-up brand from Emerica, from what I'm gathering, just from handling these and just some research I've done. I don't know if that's true or not. I mean, they both seem to make really nice shoes, but man, these things are banging, dude. So I'm really excited to try these on and see how they feel. I will say they seem to have, at least this pair in particular, seem to have better quality laces. Yeah, these have better quality laces than Emerica. So I think there's, maybe a slight upgrade in materials quality with these shoes. These things are nice. So apparently this month it's green. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you on the Barge, the sole. Let's take a look at the sole. Take a good look at the Barge. We didn't really go all the way around. It's the Barge LS. Very nice shoe. Look at that. I'm stoked. I think these are nice shoes. I really didn't need more shoes, as you guys know from all the shoe videos I've done of late. But my first pair of low Vulcs are already starting to fall apart. And part of it's to do with the lift. But also, they were on a crazy, crazy low discount for some nice shoes. So I thought, why not stock up and have them waiting in the wings. I just want to say, for the Etnies peeps, seriously nice work. This is my first experience with your shoes, and I'm really, really impressed. I can see why guys like Andy Anderson ride for your team. Thank you guys for checking in. Let me know if you've used Emerica and Etnies shoes, both, if you have opinions on them, what you think of the two brands, how they compare to each other, how they relate to each other, what your experience is with them for skateboarding, because I'm not testing these for skateboarding because I skate in a high top, but I'm kind of the healthcare worker tester guy, I guess. So I'll be really interested to see how these feel on. I'm going to probably shoot a separate video just so I don't get too long, trying these on and talking a little bit about how they feel, and I'll try to post that shortly after this one. So thanks for checking in. Dig you guys later. God bless.